It begins far offshore, where massive schools of tuna swim beneath the surface. Fishing vessels use sonar and satellites to pinpoint their location with accuracy. Once found, the crew prepares quickly, nets, gear, and engines ready for the chase. Purse seine nets are deployed in a circle, surrounding the entire school of tuna. The net tightens from below, trapping the fish in a dense formation without harming them. Advanced underwater cameras allow selective fishing, protecting other marine species. In smaller operations, fishers use handline methods to catch tuna one by one. Crews measure each tuna. Only mature fish are kept to ensure population health. Immediately after catch, the tuna are frozen on board to lock in freshness. The cold chain starts here, vital for quality and international shipping. Beneath the waves, tuna swim at high speeds in synchronized schools. Marine biologists track tuna migration using satellite tags and acoustic sensors. With modern sonar and AI systems, bycatch is minimized and fishing is smarter. Eco-certifications like MSC guarantee sustainable and ethical practices. Frozen tuna are transported via refrigerated trucks to nearby factories. At the factory, frozen tuna are thawed slowly to preserve texture. Once thawed, the tuna are thoroughly washed and cleaned. Steam cookers then prepare the tuna, locking in flavor and nutrients. After cooking, tuna loins are removed and sorted by color and texture. Only premium cuts are selected for canning, ensuring top quality. Selected tuna chunks are placed into open cans by precise automated lines. Each can is filled with brine, oil, depending on recipe. Next, can lids are applied and sealed with airtight precision. Sealed cans are then loaded into a high-pressure retort chamber. Here, heat and pressure kill bacteria, making the tuna shelf-stable for years. Cans are dried and labeled with vibrant, recognizable branding. Laser printers mark each lid with batch codes and expiry dates. Quality control checks each batch for label accuracy and seal integrity. Cans are packed into boxes, labeled for regional or global delivery. Pallets are shrink-wrapped and loaded for shipment to supermarkets worldwide. From factory to shelf, canned tuna is delivered fresh and fast. Supermarkets stock neatly organized shelves, ready for consumers worldwide. At home, it's a reliable source of nutrition, easy to store and serve. Quick meals made with tuna, sandwiches, salads, and warm dishes. Canned tuna connects oceans to families, preserved nutrition anytime, anywhere. Tuna is rich in protein and omega-3s, supporting heart and brain health. Low in fat, high in nutrients, it fits any healthy diet. Shelf-stable and ready to use, tuna offers modern convenience with ancient roots. From deep ocean currents to your family table, it's a journey of science and care. Canned tuna, sustainably caught, expertly prepared, globally enjoyed.